Hello everybody, this is Terry from Get Living. Today we're going to take a look at and unbox the green stove that I just received. It's a pellet stove and we're going to see how it performs before we take it out and actually give it a try. "23 degrees. And the reason I did go and purchase this stove was if you fill up the hopper, or at least for the most part, you don't have to keep on feeding sticks of wood in it. And this is my first test and first run on it. It does have a little bit of burning off some of the oils. Doesn't smell too bad, but I can see that it's starting to steam up. And the smoke does appear to be going out the way it should be. I don't see any leaking. I think the setting that I have now on it is like it's not full blast, but it's like medium. I do have the flue damper open all the way, so I wanted to get it going, get some temperature going in here, because it's, as you just saw, 23 degrees, and it's pretty chilly. But yeah, some residual oils are burning off of it. I'm gonna try to heat it up. It does have this little tool to turn it, but it's not that hot right now. You slide it in the flue and turn it up or down. This little flat bar. This tent is not that large. I do believe it's like a 9 by 16. And more of a dome style. It's not our inflatable, but I wanted to do a test run, see how it performs. Can see some of the pellets that have broken up and small. They're actually inside the ash box down there. But what we want to see is that, yeah, it's starting to grow or climb. Start to pop. The assembly on it out here in the cold was roughly around 25 to 30 some minutes. You have to put in the glass pieces, back out these screws on either side, and then put them in. And you have to take these screws out right here, and the screws out over there, and then basically slide the glass in, and then put these back and put those back. Wasn't too long. I didn't really time myself putting the stove together. But what we want to see is that start growing or climbing. And it is. That's a good thing. I suppose this is supposed to be this way. Opposed to, I do believe this would be closing it up, and if there was no weight pushing on it, it would be gearing that back. There is also a piece of metal that, if I do believe you're closing or turning it off, you slide it within there. But look at that thing, it's like a torch. So far, pretty pleased. It's starting to kick out some heat. When I started putting this together out here, it was, the sun was out in my backyard, and it did have warmer temperatures, and I did have to take my coat off, it was so warm. Oh, here we go. So that did rise, so it's feeding it down. So I put 4 scoops in this, and it was 3 o'clock. It's 3:42 now. Kind of want to see how far, like 4 scoops would go, and 4 scoops on it. I'll open up the hopper and show you. You can see it's cool to touch, the hopper. The whole thing itself is, you can touch it, just tighten things down. And this being a test, excuse me, it's a wacky camera usage. Oh yeah, it's nice and warm up here by the top of the tent. So that's like 4 scoops of putting it in there. We'll see how long this goes. This is the testing cycle, so we will see how warm or how long we can actually run this is the main test. Look at that. It's like you can barely see anything coming out. I mean, there is probably some oils within a pipe. I did have these darker pipes, are the pipes I already had, and I wanted to extend it in case of any spark arresting little pops and snaps, but regular wood, regular water. So far, I'm really pleased. And I picked this up. This is the wood pellets. I just got these from Lowe's. They were not the cheapest, but they were the closest. Easy heat wood pellets, premium grade. Okay, update. Whoa. 434. Not all the way up. I'd say about 30. All right. Okay, I came in to check on the tent after filling it up. So it went a good 3 hours. Oh my. Okay, I just got done finishing up filling the hopper. It is 6:50. And we'll see how long that burns on a full hopper.